In this video, I will show you how you can turn off split keyboard on any Samsung tablet. Now, if split keyboard has been enabled on your Samsung tablet and if you want to turn it off, first of all, just open the keyboard on your Samsung tablet. Now, at the top of the screen, you will find a small keyboard icon. Now, just tap on the keyboard icon. Now, instead of split keyboard, just select standard keyboard. And after you do that, you will turn off the split keyboard on your Samsung tablet. But let's say if you're using Google's Gboard instead of the Samsung keyboard. Now let's change the keyboard to Gboard. Now to disable split keyboard on Google's Gboard, just tap on the four square icons over here. And on this page, just tap on the keyboard icon. Now as you can see, the keyboard icon has been already added at the top of the screen, but if it is not, you will find it over here. Now from here, just select standard keyboard. And after you do that, you will turn off the split keyboard on your tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off split keyboard on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.